And my prayer for each one of us dito, like I said last week, no, that we would prioritize certain things, that we will remain in the Lord Jesus. Kasi if we don't do that, after a while, ang iiral sa atin, ay yung sasabihin niya rito, tinatawag niyang works of the flesh. Ang iiral dito ay yung mga attitudes and way of thinking na ang ultimate resulta, of course, is conflict. So, maging sa pamilya yan, maging sa mga churches, makikita mo mag-aaway-aaway ang mga tao when they're slowly deviating from a sincere devotion to Jesus to becoming more worldly-oriented sa kanilang mga value system. And pag nangyari yun, sabi magkakapi-kapi, may opinion si ganito, may kanya-kanya tayong paniniwala, and before you know it, hindi na magkasundo ang mga tao. No? It may happen in your family, it may happen in the church, it may happen in the workplace. It can happen anywhere, actually. At ang malungkot niyan, kapag yung Christian na nandoon sa lugar na yon is actually the one creating that conflict. Okay? So we may not be aware of this, and my prayer for you siguro, before you make a post this week, saying in effect na, favor ako sa ganito, favor ako sa ganyan, bago magkaroon ng away-away, listen carefully to what I'm going to say today, this morning. Okay? Upang sa ganoon, mabantayan din natin ang sarili natin. You may have your own opinions, you can keep it to yourself. But if you post it, it creates factions.